Broadcasting from Universal Studios Hollywood, KUSH is on the air.
No, you're talking about my ex-boyfriend who went to the war?
Who's Inez?
Okay.
Who is Inez? What's happening here?
This is ancient history.
Yeah.
Those love letters you found under the bed, those were from him, but I'm not saving them. They're here so I can burn them.
You know what? Now I feel your pain from earlier.
I think he needs nothing from me.
Unbelievable.
Timmy, all right, you are my one and only. Come here, come here.
Yeah,
You are my
yeah.
one and only. You are my one true love.
Yeah.
Please get married.
Yeah, we are.
You're beautiful inside and out.
Thanks, honey. You're beautiful inside and out, too.
Thanks, honey.
Inez.
And you all are beautiful inside and out, okay? We can't talk about it this anymore.
What is happening? I'm so broken up now after this.
Who won the couples?
Oh, this is a triple. Well, we know one of the couples already.
We know you two sunglasses and curls over here. Yeah, okay, that's
Okay,
one.
there's a couple.
Right, let's look at how they look at each other.
Okay,
I don't know what to... Okay, so now I
don't know anybody that says...
self-reflection.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
What is happening? You just said everything we've said to you so far is not true.
You lied to us.
It's true that you lied to us.
This is...
The tickets part is true. All
I
right.
feel betrayed. I feel betrayed.
You know what? Now I feel betrayed.
And I feel like taken advantage of. But you know what? It's okay because the game recognizes game. We love a good con.
That's true.
We run neighborhood cons all the time, so can we say congratulations?
All right. I mean, you did say your boyfriend about this guy. Oh, that was a joke. Okay.
Okay, sunglasses and sunglasses. You two together.
Sunglasses and regular
Bay
glasses.
Area. Yeah.
Yeah, this is one.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I'm gonna guess. Oh gosh.
I'm looking deep into your eyes.
Yeah.
Picturing who's worthy of your beauty. It's hard because the standard is very high.
I'm gonna guess that these two aren't a couple, or maybe are because they're wearing the same color, and we see that a lot here. People wearing the same, yeah. No, okay. But thank you for pointing that out.
You read it a lot into it. Who's this guy?
Who's this guy? Do we know this guy?
Are you a famous director, television and film?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Okay. Mom's the word, don't you worry.
Mom is the word? That's what we're doing? That's the monologue, is mom.
It's the
All
word.
right. Mom. Huh? Do we get to be in a movie?
Pretty good, huh?
Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
Hollywood, here we come.
Your sensitivity and the deep golden timbre of your voice finally paid off.
Thanks.
What if you guessed which one of us is dating the other one? Solved it. Oh.
You solved it.
Yeah, good job. Great work. All right. Hi, how are you? We're doing like a sort. We're trying to figure out who's with who over here.
Yeah.
Anyone want to help us? Oh, thank goodness, Tim. Tim,
you're here.
Get over here.
Oh my gosh.
Tim. Well, yeah, Tim's the neighborhood construction worker.
We're trying to figure out which one of us are.
Tim's the best in the business. Honestly. Tim, you gonna cast him in the musical?
Wait, you're doing a musical?
Yeah, Construction the musical.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
If you want to make a film adaptation of the musical, we got a famous filmmaker right over here for you.
Oh yeah, he's very verite with his style here.
You remember the big number in the musical is gonna be called Hammer and Nails.
Hammer in apostrophe
Oh,
or hammer and?
Hammer and Nails. You know me, I've never had good enunciation.
Oh, honey, don't you say that about the woman I
Oh,
love.
come on.
Come
on.
Don't you even.
Well, so where are you from, my friend? Yeah, all of you actually. What's going on over here?
Oregon?
Oregon.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love it.
So you got the wilderness, you got the...
Did you get it?
I got it!
You got it?
Wait, is this the three couples?
Whoa!
I thought you said it was your... Oh, for Pete's sake, you fiddlers.
How did you do it? Oh, look at this. Nails and screws.
Nails and screws.
Go together. Yeah, what do you agree, Oregon? Do nails and screws go together? All right.
What's that?
It's right here. This has been the audition.
Yeah, this director.
Are you live?
You have
Oh,
to
okay.
prepare.
What's the really important role?
It's an NDA, non-disclosure agreement. Yeah, I understand. We understand. We live in New York. We understand how these things work. Nothing's gonna Okay, great. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Are we doing the musical now? Okay, dance
Oh, this is the dance call for the audition? All right.
Who else wants to audition for Construction the Musical?
If you want to audition for Construction the Musical, jump in the line.
Taping it right here.
Wrap yourself.
And work around and work around. Oh, okay. That's the whole dance call?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come.
Oh, that's good. Wait, did you just hire all of them in one fell swoop? Wow.
This is better than Joshua Templeton's Zumba class that we went to that one time.
Joshua Templeton told us that Zumba class was an audition just so we would sweat harder.
That's exactly right. Yeah. Because you have that motivation. Hi, cutie. How are you? Did you come to the auditions? Hey, Tim. I don't mean to alarm you, but I found your leading lady. She's right there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, kid, you're gonna be a star. See you later there, guys.
Best of luck in life and love, all right?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Wait, we got
a
callbacks?
callback? Wow, Tim, thanks a lot. This kid was my inspiration when he was sober.
Hey, here again. Oh my gosh, we were so worried about when you were gonna come back, and now you're here.
And now we can go on with our day, all content and happy because you came back.
I know. Holy.
Wait, where you going now?
I'm like down there.